turn right from left line. Where there is a multi-line, and examiner sometime they will say to you, take a next right from left line or take a next right from right line. As you can see, there is a two lines are going right. Two lines are going right, so instruction is here, take a next right from left line. Many students they get confused like this type of the instructions. So we're going to turn right from left line. So I am in my left line, but I'm turning right. So I don't, make sure you don't need to change your line, just be in left line, and from left line you need to turn right and just finish in left line. From left line you need to start from your left line, and you need to also finish in your left line also. So that's how you need to turn right from left line or turn right from right line. So now I'm going to take you the another intersection where also most common mistake student they do in their driving test. Intersection where you need to turn left from right line. So we're going to turn left from right line. There is a two lines are going left. So the left hand line is only going left, and right hand line is going straight, turn right and left also. The right hand line is going on three directions. So an instruction is turn left from right line. So we're going to turn left from right line. So we need to be in same line. So we need to be in a same line. We need to be in a right line. As you can see, the signs, these signs are giving instruction three ways. So we're going to turn left into right line. This type of the places most common mistake student they do in their driving test, and they fail their driving test. As you seen, I turn left from right line. So this type of the instruction is given. Many students they make a mistake when they say to them turn left from right line. They start to move to left line, and sometime once they finish they go to left line again. So you need to turn, you need to go from the same line, and you need to turn left from right line. And the next traffic light we're going to turn right from right line. Next intersection we're going to turn right from right line. There will be two lines. There will be two lines are going right, so we can choose any line. This type of the situation, if there is a one line or two line, and after that is becoming a two lines. So as you can see, there is a two lines are going right. So from here I'm going to right line directly, and then I'm going to turn right from right line. So you need to listen the first word very carefully. If the examiner they say to you turn right from right line, so you need to go to right line. This light is green, we are waiting patiently, we don't need to rush anything. Make sure when you finish, you need to finish also in the right line. After that, don't change your line. So light is green, arrow is green, so we are in a right line, and we just need to finish in the same line. So this is turn right from right line. So that's how you need to do turn right from right line. I'm going to take you another one more intersection where you need to turn left from right line. Because I've been to so many driving tests, I've seen many students they fail their driving test just because of misunderstanding, and many accidents are happening on the road just because of confusion of this type of the lines. If there is a two lines is giving signals, so you can turn left from both lines. So I will show you another one more example how you can turn left from right line. So next roundabout, turn left from right line. As you can see the arrows, the right line is going straight also, right also, and left also. So we're going to turn left from right line. Make sure if you are already in a right line, you don't need to change. Just go directly to right line. So that's how you need to turn right from right line. And before I show you how you need to turn right from left line. So if you still have any question, any doubt, please don't hesitate to leave a comment in the comment section and I will reply you very soon. So thank you so much for watching. Bye for now. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. If you like it, please like it. If you dislike it, please dislike it. Bye for now. We'll see you soon with the next video.